Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Peak Beta. To begin, open Steam and navigate to your game library. Find Peak, right-click on its title and select Properties. A new window will appear where you can find the Betas menu. This is your first step to experiencing new content early. Once in the Betas menu, locate the password text box. Type Play Peak Beta exactly as shown, without spaces. After entering the password, select the beta branch from the participation drop-down. Your game will then begin updating to the beta version, typically taking only a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Playing the beta branch offers a sneak peek at upcoming content. You might discover new items like binoculars or a flying disc, or experience quality-of-life improvements such as a pause feature for offline play. Beta patches also introduce balance adjustments and crucial bug fixes, ensuring a more polished experience in future official releases. As a beta tester, your feedback is invaluable. If you encounter any bugs or unusual behavior, report them through the official Peak Discord channel or the Steam Beta Bug Reports forum. Remember, beta versions are experimental, so be prepared for potential instability or minor glitches. Your contributions help shape the game's future for millions of players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.